Social media. Social media is the website and applications that enable the users to create and share content and to participate in the social networking. For example, blogs, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Today, social media affects everything from TV industry, education, business to politics. Its impact on the society. It allows the user to create their own media and post onto it. For example, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. It grants the user the ability to do several tasks at the same time but lower the quality of work as focus has been divided. Overloading of the information as people share the knowledge, work, news through social media, but overwhelming can cause stress and confusions. Modern social media provoked our brain with more visual, colors, images, and changed us to visual thinkers. Its impact on human behavior. The daily use of social media by people has increased so much that it is injecting an inflection into our behaviors. Moving towards its pros, its good impact. Today, social media delivers creative liberty to people. Sharing views and topic of their interest has become easier for them. It has become easier for people to explore ideas, share and advocate their views, which would often be put down among the crowds. Social media has helped people in building connections with long lost peers and people of their community. Moreover, this association has helped them exchange communication and find new avenues for staying connected. Finding jobs and earning a respectable place of employment is one of the best pros of social media. Now, moving towards its bad impact, the cases of cyberbullying and cyber abuse by anonymous online users are not unknown. These cases have largely contributed to lowering self esteem among people and hitting human behavior. A healthy amount of gaming with friends and family can lead to stronger bonds. However, excessive gaming often results in isolation. It eliminates face to face interaction between people, shortening their development and limiting their personality. Social interaction is the skill, but if you spend most of your time alone in your room and playing games, not interacting with other people in real life, then that skill will deteriorate. That can lead to social anxiety. It serves as a platform to spread negativity and rumors, which earns a mammoth fame in short span of time. Moving towards the key facts and figures, according to the 2017 official report published by Facebook, on average there were 1.40 billion daily active users of Facebook with an increase of 14% year over year. In 2019, there were around 2.77 billion social network users around the globe. Facebook is the most preferred social media platform with more than 2000 million Facebook users worldwide. If the country is constituted with them, then it would be the world's third largest behind China and India. According to the report, We Are Social, leading marketing services to organizations. The number of people using the top social media platform in each country has increased by almost 1 million new users every day during the past 12 months. You can see the chart in which the number of users has increases from 2010 till now, year over year. Now, moving towards conclusion, we can say that social media can be considered as a boon to society. However, serious steps should be taken to mitigate the negative consequences. Cyber protection cells and artificial intelligence together can solve this problem to great extent. Along with that, ethical views should be taught through schools and colleges. Thank you.